Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to map the easy or electrical conductivity using remote sensing data. I will use the formula based on this paper. Actually, you can try to find another paper. Maybe they have the R square better than this paper, but today I'm gonna show you to how to use the remote sensing data to map the electrical conductivity. If you want to know how they get the formula, you can read this paper. There is the detail about the data set and the methods you can read carefully in this paper. And yes, we will use these equations 20 multiply with the band number 4 and add with the 0.0393. And the r square is around zero point 0.7 or exactly is 0.73. And so we will use the band number 4 here. But first you should sign in this platform, Google Earth Engine platform. And after you sign in, you can go to the code editor. In the code editor, you can write your code here. But first of all, you should define your ROI. Today, I will use ROI from my country, Chilencha Reservoir or Chilincha Lake, and just import it to the layer, and I will change the name as ROI. And if you want to add to the layer, just add map add layer ROI and make your ROI as a center object. ROI with the scale, for example, 14, and it will be directly go to your ROI. As I mentioned before, we will use data from Sentinel-2 because this formula is based on the data set from Sentinel-2. So just go here to data set and go to Sentinel menu here. Again, need a little time. And go to Sentinel-2. A, level 2A. So as I mentioned before, we will use band number 4 with the spatial resolution is 10 meters. And yes, I will just copy this code to get the data sets from Sentinel-2 and just give little change with the cloud pixel, or yes, we will use less than 10 meters, and the date we will use from January to December 2022, and dot filter bounds with our ROI and get the median value. And And yes, this is about the data set that we will use for this case. So as I mentioned, we will use this formula. Here I have already write a code for that formula. We will get the image and select pen number 4 multiply with 20 and add with this value and rename it as easy, and we will add to the layer and give the name is sentinel 2. And this one is for if you want to export this map to your G drive, you can use this code with the image is easy.clip. Don't forget to clip with your ROI, so only your ROI will be download or will be export to your G drive. And after export to your G drive, you can download freely to your PC or to your laptop and just run it. And after a wee moment, it will be showing here your EC value. If you want to change the visualization, you can go here and just make the straight, for example, 90%. So the yes, the value is from 0.5 until 2.6, and map the palette, for examples, the low value, it will be showing blue, and medium it will be showing orange, and the highest value it will be showing red color, or yeah, red to pinks. And just apply it. So it will be showing like this, or if you want to make it more, just apply it. So here it better visualizations. Import it to make it permanent, and just copy here, change this code, run it again. Okay, now it already showing for us. And if you have maybe the field or observation data, you can yes, try to get the value. For example, here just go to inspector, and it will be yes, provide for you the easy value for that point that you have already clicked. So that's from my side today. Oh yeah, if you want to download, you can go to the task menu and just run it here, and it will be directly go to your G drive. And don't forget, make sure your G drive is enough to download. That's from my side today. If you have any question or if you have any comment, you can put in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for my and yeah, next video. Thank you very much.